Hi guys, my video yesterday, thank you to everybody that threw down today and sent messages, and I'm very grateful. I'm very, very grateful. I've had a lot of people send a lot of help, lots of workshops and properties for sale for a small amount. We have started the sales of stuff. Other exciting things are coming. Let's go have a look at some stuff. Okay, so I'm still building my truck because I have to finish it. So I bought this manifold last week, nearly 50% off. So this is going on the Little Windsor, and it's going in the F350. So before we can move, we have a long wheelbase tow truck to finish building. Joe and I have considered what's going to happen with her car. It'll be sold without the M20 and the 6-speed. Price around 12. It will be back on its wheels on the weekend. It has XYZs, has true coils, so there's the rears to go in sitting there. It has E90 master cylinder mounted on the firewall on the driver's side. It has brake bias, brand new brake lines, brand new Dynapro big brake kit, brand new wheel bearings, purple tag rack, has a fully rebuilt rear subframe which is about to go in it. I'm about to do this tonight, is what I'm in the middle of doing. The car has a brand new set of braid, full race A's, a set of 5 with Toyo R888Rs which are about 12 months old. Tyres and wheels were a $4,500 package. The 323 has walk-in rego. At the moment, for 12k, it's got an AGI cage, just a 4-point, has a skinned crack-free dash, has a Velo fixback, has a 4.1. Here you go. I'll put all this car together this week just so as I can push out and take some photos. Has a 4.1 billet hat. It has done one track day. Right, 4.1 medium case, billet hat, 4 clutches. It's 45-45 or 50-50. It's a tight diff. This car also has, so it'll be a full roller. I have Series 2 side strips for it. I have a bunch of stuff. We have some black door trims. Hold on. Brake line now comes down driver's side, and I'm about to extend that up under the subframe and bring it over. We removed everything from this side. There's no fuel lines under it at the moment, and no fuel tank. Comes with a fuel tank. Comes with a new rubber filler hose. Will come with these, fully braced, new bushes, so all Powerflex bushes, and it'll have the E34 adapters with a set of, we'll actually throw in 2 sets of E34 shafts. I don't mind throwing in a spare set. So yeah, if someone's after an E34 race car, E30 race car, the black Grooty's Race and Resto car is going on the chopping block. It's got M-Tech 2 bumpers, fiberglass ones, rear one's mounted, front one can go back on, not a problem. It's up there, a little bit beat up, and I have an M3 fiberglass front bar that can go with it as well. So yeah, we're asking 12. Negotiations are, I'll keep parts, I'll keep the cage, I'll keep the seat if people want to offer less. I may part it out. The wheels worth $4,500. The XYZs were $2,000. The brakes are $3,500. I'll consider parting it out if that's what it comes to. Yeah, you can see. Oh, let's have a look inside. What do we got here? Ha ha ha! Roll cage. Oh, where is it? Is it there? No. Where's the seat? I think it's in the back. Oh, we might have it upstairs. But yeah, I could probably even sell it with a pair of Recaros or whatnot. I'm not too fast. So yeah, we're at the point at the moment where today I'm hitting this hard. I'm done. The mill drill sold today. Tomorrow morning, a gentleman comes for a good look at both Molnar hoists. They should be going. We sold the kitchen today. That goes Friday. I'm about to put the Banshee stroker motor up for sale. Yeah, we're done. I can't deal with somebody that won't take my safety as important as as Tweedledee and Tweedledum that own the property. So yeah, like I said, thank you to everybody for all the well wishes. You're amazing, and you make us feel better. Thank you. All right. So I hope you all have a lovely day, and keep you posted. And let's hope. I pray we can get ourselves a nice little workshop in the country. Thanks, guys. Look at this. Stay awesome.